Hello students, let's do this question. Here the sample of n equals to 50 observation is taken. So we have to find out 95% confidence interval for population mean mu. So first we find out the value of sample mean x bar equals to summation of all 50 observations are 1530630 divided by 50, which becomes equal to 30,612.60. As standard deviation as equals to 2258.5115. So we have to find out 95% confidence interval for population mean mu. So the formula becomes confidence interval Ci equals to x bar plus minus t n minus 1 comma alpha by 2 into s upon square root of n, where the value of t n minus 1 comma alpha by 2 equals to t 49,0.05 divided by 2 equals to t 49,0.025 equals to, by using